How to configure work hours in Dynamics 365 for PSA. Let's have a look. Few points regarding work hours. So every resource has work hours defined in Dynamics 365. That is how many hours a resource will be working for an organization. You can set the working hours for a resource, that is a user or a contact, which will be then used in projects. So work hours define how many hours resource will be available to work on a particular project. It is also used for scheduling resource for a project. So let's take a scenario. So for Tech Quantum Australia, the resources are available from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and there's a lunch break of 30 minutes in between. So the working days are from Monday to Friday, and in this case, we are not observing any holidays. Before we proceed with the setup of work hours, let's just go into the personalized settings since we are working in Australian or AEST time zone. So we'll go over here, click on settings, click on personalized settings, and over here in the set personal options, you will find an option called time zone under the general tab. So currently it is selected as Canberra, Melbourne, Sydney. So let me just go ahead and select that as Brisbane and click on OK. Now click on the cog and click on advanced settings. Under advanced settings, click on settings and then click on security, and under security click on users. Now over here we need to select a user. Now in this case we are selecting Spencer Lowe, and then open the user record, and for the user click over here and click on work hours. Now on this window, click on setup, click on new weekly schedule, and the first thing that we need to do is set the work hours. So click on the link over here. Well, in our scenario we want to set the work hours from 9 to 5, so let's just select the start time as 9 a.m. and then we can click on add break, and the system will try to add the break automatically. So we just want a 30-minute break. Early morning hours are from 9 a.m. till 12:30 p.m. So let's go down and say 12:30 p.m. So the break is going to be till 1 p.m. That's a 30-minute break, and our system will automatically pick up the next hours from 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. is again working. So once we have set that, we can just click on OK, and then over here the work days are from Monday to Friday. So let us just unselect Sunday and set it over here. So the work days are Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, and we do not want to observe holidays, so that is fine. And we can select the time zone over here. So let's just select Brisbane over here. That is the same what we have also set up in our personalized setting. Once that is done, we can click on save and close. Now, as you can see here, automatically the system has set the working hours from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and also has excluded Sunday and Saturday. So the working hours are only from Monday to Friday. So why don't you go ahead and try it out for yourself?